bang 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 bang. Yeah, welcome back to MJ Games and Graphics YouTube channel. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like my video. Also share your friend too as well. Love you. So today I'm gonna show you how to install PPSP on your system, and you are going to play the games like you are playing hundreds PPSP games. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that package. Now let's go into the package I'm talking about. First of all, you have to go and download this application, this stuff I'm showing you right now. You have to download this PPSP. Can you see PPSP setup? I will be putting the link in the description. Download it. So download and extract. Let us extract the PPSP. Extract. Yeah, it has finished extracting. Now open it. Can you see? Let me check the MB. It's not maybe like 1 MB. I don't even know, size something now. Yeah, 70.2 MB, so very cheap. So you will see the stuff on my link description, so you can easily click on it and download it. So around this package you can play all your PPSP games on your system too as well as if you are playing the normal game. No, let me look. Okay, now I can find it. Now install the package, install the PPSP. Yes, okay, just click next. Installed, and you see it's very fast in installing. So let's see. Now it has finished. Don't launch. I don't feel like launching now. Don't launch. Yeah. Now I feel like deleting the stuff. Yeah. Now go inside, cancel this your store, the store. Where's the PSP? I can't find it. Oh god, where's it? I'm coming. Okay, I don't think it's right here. Let me go back to this stuff, to my explorer. Let me locate the file. PPSP. Oh man, where is it? PPSP. Yeah. This thing is giving me. Okay, yeah, it is it. Now, can you see? Just right click on it, on this PPSP logo. Go to send to desktop packet, create shortcuts. Let's click. No, not here. I don't think it's empty. Yeah. Can you see? Now you can close your Windows Explorer. Can you see this stuff? Can you see? It will open. Can you see? Yeah. This, I have a game inside it. This is my game. Ben 10, God of War, Naruto. I'm forgetting this name. Toy Story, Wrestling. And if you wanted to locate your gaming stuff, you can easily go to where you will go to this load, and you go inside PPSP document. This is where you will put your PPSP games to PPSP and go to games. Can you see? This is I have a lot of game in it. Wherever you feel like putting the game to, and it will be easily for you to locate, just put it there. As for me, I used to go to PPSP and down document PPSP PSP game, then you go back. It's okay, let me open. Can you see all the stuff? File, save file. Can you see? So that is how. Let me show you. You will see it will work. Can you see my Ben 10 is working? Can you see? Tracking memory. Can you see? Yeah. So that's how you play the game. Now let us quit the game like that. Let us quit the game. Cancel. Now that is how you have to install your PPSP on your system. Very easy, simple installation. Can you see? It doesn't take a lot of time. So don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for me, and click the bell icon for notification when I'm dropping my new videos. please subscribe for your brother. Thank you. I love you all. Bye bye.